Hello everyone, welcome to Alken Engineering Company's presentation for cistern system. This presentation will cover introduction of Alken Engineering Company, market analysis and product, brief summary of our research and development, and budget estimate. We are also going to explain legal regulation and cistern design, then we will conclude our presentation. Our company's name is Alken Engineering LLC. Our logo is located on the left. We provide cistern system to single-family houses in Northeast area. We help people to save money on water bills. We save environment and natural resources. This is our team. I am Jenny Lee and I work as a project manager of this company. Elyce Pimentel is our company's assistant project manager. Ruiming Ma is in charge of a financial department. And Alken Kudaibergen is in charge of research and development department. Chafla is our product designer for cistern system. Jiahao Zhang works as a marketing director, and Yue Shen is in charge of human resources and legal department.
Now let's talk about market analysis and the product. The average of water in Northeast region is $39.58, and the average of water usage per household is about 12,000 gallons. Average rainfall in these areas is about 4 inches. That means the average rainfall is about 29 gallons per month. However, about 4 months, the temperature goes below 32 Fahrenheit degrees, so we need snow melting system such as CEGY has. Usages of the product for customers are as follow. Firstly, landscaping. Customers can use rainwater to water the grass and garden. That way, customers will be able to save average 0.62 gallons each time for watering grass. People use 40 to 100 gallons when they wash their vehicles in the driveway, so washing vehicle is also one of the options. Third one is flushing toilet. Customers would save an average of 8.8 gallons of water by using our product. At last, it is very important to study the harmful substances, bacteria, and diseases in the rainwater. Our company mainly promotes products in 3 different ways. Firstly, reach a consensus with some individuals or organizations that support environmental protection and water conservation, and post our product advertisement on their page. It requires very low cost, which is our best option. Secondly, we will promote with our main cooperated company, CEGY. Also, we will carry out manual publicity near the residential area.
To stand out of the market competitors, Aquatech decided to target 3 areas of development: the optimized guttering, snow melting, and water purity. Scientific review showed that trapezoidal guttering was the most efficient for low to medium intensity rainfalls, while wrap design was the most efficient for high intensity rainfalls. Overall, optimized guttering was 7 to 20% more efficient than non-optimized. For snow melting, we proposed 2 options. The first option involves heating electric cables attached to the roof. However, installation costs may be as high as $7,500. In the second method, snow is melted by the water delivered from the cistern. It has much lower costs, but the effect of wind is too unpredictable. Finally, for water purification, 3 methods were chosen. Each of them requires minimum amount of investment and is well developed. However, chlorination and pasteurization cannot be applied directly in the cistern, in contrast to slow sand filters. Also, none of the methods can remove 100% of contaminants.
Let's move on to the budget estimate part. For the budget estimate, we have divided the total budget into the following categories: labor cost and labor burden, material cost, project equipment cost, insurance, and tax. The sum estimate cost will be $12,688. The next part is the project overhead estimate cost. In this section, we have put several items necessary to complete the project but is not directly associated with labor and materials. Our company decided to put 3 genres into this section. The first section is employee compensation, and this part of overhead cost will be $4,000. We also include our company's general insurance, which includes property insurance, commercial general liability insurance, commercial auto insurance, contractors' tools and equipment insurance, and contractors' pollution insurance. This part of overhead insurance cost will be $3,472. The advertising and marketing cost will go to $2,200. The last part is the property rent. We plan to rent a warehouse for inventory storage, which will cost us for more than $26,400 for 12 months. In conclusion, the total overhead budget for our cistern project is $36,120.
Hello everyone, I'm Yue Shen. I will introduce the legal regulations for our project. Firstly, the installation of cistern must be approved and inspected by State Building and Safety Department. An outflow discharge from cistern shouldn't cause erosion or damage to property. In addition, all of the components and materials used for cisterns should be manufactured of materials approved for the intended application. For labor, cisterns must be marked to warn people not to drink any non-potable water for them. The last one, non-potable water in cisterns should be disinfected and contains no more than 4 ppm of chloramines or free chlorine. Next, we will introduce the cistern design.
To finalize our cistern design, our team wanted to ensure we looked at all the viable options in the current market. Criteria that were categorized in this matrix are cost, installation, longevity, durability, maintenance access, and best use capacity. Considering all these criteria, our team decided on using a polyethylene cistern material, as it is the most affordable option with great longevity and durability. Now for our final design, the image shown illustrates a Revit model of our cistern system. Due to the polyethylene material, it would be underground as shown. If you look at the isometric view, the area above the cistern is open to air. This is now how it would be in real application. It would be backfilled with material. Ultimately, our team is fully prepared to install, apply, and manage this cistern system.
Aquatech Engineering is committed to preserving our natural resources and providing a customer-friendly option to care for our environment and lower water bill costs while we're at it. We have developed our cistern systems with special features such as the implementation of an ice melting system and the identification of harmful substances. These features allow us to have a degree of adaptability to fit our goals and our customers' needs. And ultimately, it is our broad experience and in-depth design that puts us ahead of our competitors and provides economical solutions to your water conservation problems.
Thank you for watching Aquatech Engineering's presentation.